Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a review of the key power down box that you can use in any country in the world. So we got the main box here. We got a power cord here. Also it's got a metal key in case you need to have a negative there. Then we have every power plug across the world. Pretty nice, looks like quality durability. Go ahead and put those back together. We're going to test this unit out today. We are in the US, so we're going to go ahead and use the United States version. Open that up. Let's get this plugged in. And let's take this out of the wrapping. Just got this today, so let's try it out. Go ahead and get it plugged in there. Flip the on switch. We got the green light here. Go ahead and plug in 12 volt. And we'll toss this in here to this little T-Mobile hotspot I have. See if it's working. Flip the switch on. Boom, we've got power. So that's working. Let's try this out over here. Try out the USB ports. Go ahead and we'll take the battery out of this, power this down. Plug that in there. Throw the battery back in it. And boom. We've got power here too. So this is working. The build quality is excellent on this. I couldn't be happier. And then the price too. I actually got this on eBay for a decent amount. I think it was $43 with tax and shipping. So, you know, I am going to be traveling to a few countries in the next couple months. This I could use everywhere: Japan, Hong Kong, Australia, even Philippines, your Asian islands. Basically anywhere and everywhere you could use this. Good build quality, solid, thicker plastic. It does, like I said, it has the high-speed ports. That's nice. And then you can charge up to 12 volts and all the way up to 3 USBs and 1 USB-C. So thanks guys, appreciate it. Subscribe and we'll catch you next time.